Utilising European engineering and state-of-the-art technology, the C1 wrapper range provides uncompromising grandeur of excellence. Light years ahead, the benefits of a C1 wrapper include the use of less film. With a state-of-the-art pre-stretch system, the C1 is guaranteed to use less film than any other brand of machine. A chain-driven turntable reduces breakdowns and makes certain that the machine is virtually maintenance-free. Being chain-driven also ensures that the turntable always returns to the start position after finishing the wrapping cycle. Multiple programming options. Having the ability to wrap products the way that suits your specific needs not only aids superior wrapping, but provides greater saving of consumables. Inbuilt memory technology calculates usage of your wrap. A perfect tool for analysing the cost per pallet wrapped and for monitoring operator usage.